a Sunday reset? Yes. I'll tell you what that noise is here in a minute, but I got some laundry to do and my bedroom is a disaster. Here is my disaster of a bedroom, but notice this big hose. Kids are napping. I don't know if that's doing anything. I don't know how they're sleeping. I'm glad they're sleeping. I did wash the sheets yesterday. Okay, so while it's quiet, hopefully you can hear me. We are sucking all of the old insulation out of our attic, making some like repairs and seam connections or whatever you want to call it. You know, over time, houses settle, things move. Time to replace some stuff. Out with the old, in with the new. So we rented this machine that sucks the insulation out. That's what he's doing up in the attic. There's always socks everywhere. I don't know where or when my husband got this blanket. It's probably like at the beginning of our relationship, but it was in storage and I pulled it out and I've been putting it at the end of our bed and I'm obsessed. It is ginormous. Boston Trader's Home. No idea, but I think it's like a king size. Once I get this bed made, we will throw everything off of this bench onto the bed to figure out where it goes. Right now, he's just changing out the bag to get started back up again, and hopefully it won't wake the kids up because I think the sound just kind of helps them go to sleep along with their sound machines.
Yeah, you're a little bit crazy. It's been days, but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer. Yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer. Yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly. I'm too fly. Bye-bye. Selfish. You get mad every time you lose. You can't take me with you.
I really need to move these, but these are the kids' like bins per kid with all the things. I did a video on this and never posted it. If you want to see it, let me know. I have their ornaments that they pick every year in Ziploc bags. I want to put them in actual like nice boxes, but for now this works. And I'm just going to stick these in the bags of each of their boxes. I figured I'd keep these separate from the rest of my stuff because if the house ever caught on fire, I'm grabbing these boxes and running if I had the opportunity. Baby books are in here, any little keepsake things. It's all in here. Photo albums, a stroller build that these old people gave them one morning at breakfast. Becoming more and more difficult to get out of here. So far I have these 2 bags to donate and the one in my bedroom, and I'm going to get one for trash. I have been doing donate and throwaway bags since before Christmas. I try to like continuously do it, especially when I'm feeling like overwhelmed and there's like too much stuff. I grab a trash bag. I have the time and the energy. As long as the kids stay asleep, I think I'll be able to like go through some of my drawers in our closet. Today I'm going to get in this closet and go through my pants because I know I can't wear headphones. I'm going to watch Hometown in my ears. Oh my gosh, this is packed and I don't wear. I pick panties off the top and nothing down below.
Changes. I'm just so mad right now. I can't moving things straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear
I'm on with stuff and it's just not working. So if you see these, you want them, comment and I'll go put them on my Poshmark. I have no idea for what price, but I'll put them on. It's about every birthday I make us special shirts for their birthday party, and I've been holding on to those. I think it's time I start parting ways with them. I have pictures and video. I don't need to keep the shirt. I don't need to keep the shirt. Not today, Heifer. So many Disney shirts and other shirts. I'm a t-shirtaholic. A Disney shirt drawer. That is what I should do. I didn't even get to wear this last time because I forgot it. I have been chosen. A lot of these color shirts. I think I need to bring it down. I wore this a lot last summer. Loved it. I really like these because I stand it up like this and then I put all of my things inside. I think I'm gonna get rid of this. I think I'm gonna get rid of this too. The more I look at stuff, I think I'm gonna get rid of this too. Like, if I'm just like not, I haven't grabbed them and I don't know how long, why keep them? You know, that looks good. We're doing it. I'm proud of me. Now I have a designated Disney shirt drawer. That will make my life so much easier when I go to pack for a Disney trip. Take this whole drawer out and go stick it next to my suitcase and start packing. Goal for our next trip, whenever that is to not buy new clothes. Other than for my kids, because my kids grow like freaking weeds. So the likelihood of them being able to wear something that they already have is kind of slim to none, especially with my son. My daughter, she can get multiple wears out of stuff, but he's just at that age where he's just growing. I can't keep up. Should I keep this? Like, I don't feel like I wore it this past summer when we went to go see The Little Mermaid, but I've never wore it to Disney because it's not oversized, and I love oversized tee at Disney because I just feel comfortable in it. And this year, we're not keeping anything that doesn't make us comfortable. How fun is that? And I want to keep this down enough to where I don't need to go into another drawer. If I get a new shirt, I have to get rid of one. That should be my thought process moving forward. Changing the bag again. I'm gonna go ahead and clean out some of my drawers too while I'm at it. I think I should go put these in there with my other Disney shirts. Oh snap!
Every time you lose, you can't take me with you. I'm scared you're gonna blow your fuse. Come a little bit closer. Yeah, I can really start over. Yeah, in the back of my mind, there's someone waiting on me. You're just wasting my time because you're scared and lonely. Finally got some closure. Yeah, I can finally start over. Yeah, so all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Here's to the memories. Cheers to who used to be. Your friend said that you left me. I'm glad that's what you believe. All my ladies.
My first bag is full. This was my husband's bag he had started. I feel like I might need another bag. Shirts look very similar, so which one do I want to keep? I don't know when I wore that last. Get rid of some. I think we'll get rid of the shirt. It's a bit much. I was not planning on doing all of this, but hey. come down from his lair. Don't look at that busted hole too hard. I said I was going to wait on pants, but I'm already in the momentum. I really need to go through dresses too, but my mom and aunt asked about pants. So I got them a bag going. So let's go through this stuff. Honestly, why do I even have scarves? I don't wear them. Why do I have them? If I see a 12, I might as well just go ahead and take it out because ain't no way my rump's getting into it. So let's try some on. Nope. Should be able to wear these. I don't know why I wouldn't be able to. Didn't even know I had those. That's the beauty of cleaning out your closet. Love these so much. I wore these when I was like a size 10 and they're 14. Oh man. I love these pants. I feel like it might make me sad if I even try to get in them. It's not happening. I love them. Quickly go through this sports bra.
Never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason. The reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me.
There's a bag that I'm going to let my family go through. And then here is the closet. My husband said he needs to go through his pants and stuff, so he'll do that. Those are the boxes. This is our little traveling bag that we've been taking like when we go stay at my mama's. So I don't want to take this stuff out because it's used once or twice a month. So I'm just going to leave it sitting there for now. And I already got to do laundry again. But this looks so much better. I got to go through my shoes. But the kids are both up now, so I just want to like briefly show you all that I did. These look absolutely fantastic. Now that I've gotten them organized, I think I'm going to put labels. I have a label maker and it makes me excited. So there is all of my Disney stuff, and that just gave me so much like serotonin looking at it. And then here are all just my other regular schmegular tees. We have pajamas, which I have so much room in this drawer. And then I just have a few little sets, literally 4 sets. And then my tank tops, I didn't go through those. I should. And then my sports bra drawer that I went through. And my holiday PJ drawer, I cleaned it out. And then my husband's stuff all looks great. He doesn't have many of these drawers. So yeah, and then I got like some maternity stuff down there. My little minion in here has been crawling all over my bed, but the bed is still made. More clothes here, some more stuff I'm getting rid of. Not getting rid of that basket. My mama just gave me that basket. I gotta figure out what I want to do with it. I love it. It screams home interior to me. I want to redo some things. We need a new dresser, but we'll just want to keep riding with this one. I may have gotten a lot done. He's not done yet, by the way. He ran out of gas, so he's going to get gas and he's going to get us some supper. I think I showed y'all those 2 bags. So I got a bunch of stuff to donate. But I still have all of the kids' laundry stuff in here. So I'm going to go ahead and get them situated out of my bedroom so that I can know they're not falling off the bed. Go put them in the playroom and just go ahead and do a big hurrah and get this last hour. I know it's probably not going to take me an hour. It'll probably take me maybe 30 minutes to get everything situated because I also have a thing of towels and other clothes and these clothes. So maybe 20 minutes. I might be able to get this done in 20 minutes and let them play and do snacks. Even though Mila's already had 2 rounds of snacks while she waited on Ellis to wake up. So I don't know. We'll see what I can get done. I love starting off the year with a good closet refresh and cleaning everything out. Like I said, I still got some other things that I want to go through, but I feel like I have a good start. And we got all these projects that we're getting ready to start around the house besides the whole attic thing. We were talking about a kitchen remodel, which would also hopefully turn into a laundry room, turning that into a pantry, our sunroom turning into a laundry room, mudroom, whatever area. I'm excited about all these things, but Looking forward to all the stuff, but I'm just very happy to have gotten that done. But let me get this done, and I will see you on the next one.
Let me tell you.